guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with Julia hair. This is the box. Something got on it like oil unfortunately. Back it has like hair care tips and such, so that's good. Then I'm gonna open the box. I see the wig, and then I got a headband, and I also got a wig cap. That's all that came in the box. We're working with some Brazilian hair. This is actually a T-part wig, guys. So that's what we're working with today. And you guys know they've upgraded the quality of their T-part wigs. They lay really flat. So yeah, this has a total of 3 combs in the inside, adjustable straps, and they do have the little lace portion like an inch in the front. This is actually 24 inches long. This does have some color in there, and as I told you guys, this is a Brazilian texture hair. It's straight that I'm working with today. Straight, shed check, not getting any strands, no strands. It feels nice and full. I'm going to put all the specifications in the description box so you can see the density, all that good stuff, and the direct link to the wig as well, so you guys can check it out if you're interested. I actually went in to start and pluck the front, but it doesn't have enough space to actually have a graduation, if you understand what I mean. The weft like begins directly, even though there's lace there, is like the weft, they're like right there behind that portion, so it's rather difficult to go in and pluck it. So that's the only con for me. I wish it had more lace space so that I could actually make a gradation. You know, like how I've had T-parts wig in the past, and you know, I was still able to make it like push it back and it looked like, oh my god. Yeah, but I feel like this would be perfect for, you know, I know there's a lot of girls out there that love their center parts and they don't mind just wearing their hair down like this all the time, you know. But for like somebody like me now that loves to push it back out of my face, you know, yeah, I mean, you still can do it. You're just going to have this straight line, and to have a more natural appearance, I'm always up for a more pre-plucked hairline because that looks way more realistic. And I'm actually going to cut away the lace and see if I even want to use any adhesive at all, because this is really snugged.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you,
so as you can see, I went ahead and did my, I'd say, mini installation, because as I said, I didn't really use any adhesive, at least not all the way. Like right here doesn't have any product at all. So I said a wig like this definitely should take less work, because it's so like, what we do say now, limited, and it's, I'd say this is like a quick wig. Like you just slip on and go, like almost like a headband wig, you know. So I'm just finessing it. So all I did was like a little swoop here at the side, and then this part was not like laying as flat as I wanted, so that's the only part I really kind of took some of my got to be for, as you saw, and I kind of just let that lay. It's not a lot of product, it's really not as much work. The rest of it does not have any product. So what I'm going to do is proceed to just getting it really flat, and I make the parting a little bit more precise, and then I'm going to make it bone straight. I really love about this hair is the fact that it doesn't have a lot of flyaways. Like I always say it, with straight texture, I feel like it's very important for it to not have a lot of flyaways, because no matter how much you straighten it, it's like it won't have that nice flowy, sheeny, luxurious look. If it has a lot of flyaways, it's going to look like frizzy in no time, no matter how straight you get it. So this, it has flyaways, but it's not a lot. You could still go ahead and put it behind your ears like this. That still looks good because it's really flat. It's not bulky. It's not bulky at all. This part doesn't have adhesive, it's just gel that I applied. That's nice. I can still put it behind my ears. Okay. Julia. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it for me finessing this T-part wig, guys. Let me know what you think. It didn't take a lot of work. It really didn't take a lot of work. This is one of those shorter wig applications, like absolutely no product applied throughout the hair itself. I just applied the wax stick, as you guys know, at the top here. My wax stick is from a random hair package. I always get a bunch of them. So yeah, but if you want hair wax, you could just go into the beauty supply store and like purchase one. You know, I know they sell them, but yeah, so that's what I use. It always just helps to make the wig lay flatter. Still haven't gotten any shedding from the hair itself, from the wig, so that's a good thing. It's brand new, so that's expected. It's also expected to be silky and moves and have good movement because it's brand new. You know, what matters is how long it can really hold up. But so far, the things that should be really good once taking it out of the box at that initial stage is definitely there. Go ahead and like this video if it was informative. You know, definitely is a beginner wig. Definitely a beginner wig. So if you're interested in one of those, this is your wig. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.